let's do this. Today, we're going to cut my hair at home. Actually, we aren't going to. I'm gonna cut my hair at home and take you guys along for the ride. This is something that I have been doing for a long time until I found Christian, my lovely, lovely hairstylist. If you're curious what my normal haircut is, you are absolutely welcome to check out this video here. Now, while I didn't cut my hair at home during 2020, I don't know. I guess I just got lucky in hitting the windows right and I was able to squeeze in a couple of haircuts, but I thought it would be fun to go ahead and show y'all how I have cut my hair at home in the past. Disclaimer, I am not, I repeat, I am not a professional hairstylist.
That being said, I actually am toying with the idea of maybe someday getting my license. Okay, let's continue.
I have watched way too many videos on the internet, and some of the most helpful videos have been by Mains by Mel. Check them out. Lots of tips from her videos have absolutely helped me out. I have been doing this haircut for a number of years. Like when we were living abroad, it just made more sense for me to trim my hair than to try and find somebody to trim my hair. So I started teaching myself how to trim my hair a long time ago, but there have been some very helpful tips that I've learned from wonderful hairstylists here on YouTube. But without further ado, let's go to my bathroom and I'll show you what I did. Hello, welcome from me inside my bathtub. All right, we're gonna go ahead and get started. I have this on my head because I have shampooed and conditioned my hair, and I left the conditioner in my hair because I like cutting my hair when there's conditioner in it. I have done this several times in the past, and I really like this haircut on me. It's not quite as good as when Christian cuts my hair, but it gets you by in a pinch. I have water dripping down my face. All right, so to start off, I have conditioner in my hair, and it's just chilling, hanging out there. And I'm gonna be using the Korea clip to level my hair. There are knockoffs of this on Amazon. I haven't tried them. I've always used this one. I know. I've heard all the things about the Korea clip. Here's the thing. I'm gonna give myself grace to use this tool because I have seen a lot of people using rubber bands to do this kind of haircut. It's kind of the unicorn cut, except I'm not pulling my hair straight in front of my head. I'm gonna pull it straight up. I've seen people using rubber bands to help them keep their hair all together and level. This is just another tool to do that with.
Also, I forgot to mention the reason that I pull my hair straight up instead of pulling it forward is that this gives my hair a more rounded sort of U shape. It also makes the layers slightly shorter in the back of my head, which I like. I'm not looking for a very sharp V haircut, which is what would happen if I pulled my hair really straight forward instead of straight up. Okay, let's keep going.
I'll be using my Perfect Hair Care brush, and I bought a pair of scissors off of Amazon. I have had these for a very long time, and while they may not be professional grade scissors, they're better than child scissors. So I'm pretty sure you're supposed to do it this way, but I've always cut like this. Anyway, let's go ahead and get started. This is a pretty quick and painless kind of process. I do brush all my hair forward, and that helps get everything going in the direction that I want it to go. Another reason I like doing this when there's product in my hair is that I feel like it helps hold everything down. It holds everything kind of in place. Whereas if there wasn't anything, I might keep getting pieces that try to separate out and move on me. All right, how long am I gonna stand here brushing my hair? Wanna take bets? Just kidding. All right. I'm doing this super careful to make sure and ensure that everything is really smooth. Now, I'm going to be taking my Korea clip, and I want it to be making a sad face, not a happy face. When you are right side up, you want it to be a happy face. When you're upside down, you want it to be upside down. Again, just smoothing everything. You almost can't smooth your hair too much. All right, and now you can see that I don't have the clip right here at the front of my hair. I am pulling things away from my face. All right, I'm gonna be trimming. Hello, I'm here. All right, I'm gonna be trimming about this much. And another thing that I do is I point cut my hair. This adds movement, adds texture. You could do this bluntly, but I found that I don't just love the result I get when I do it like that. Also, keep in mind, the sharper the scissors you have, the better. All right. Now, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna double check my line one more time. Make sure I didn't miss any pieces. That looks pretty good. I feel really good about that. All right, now I have cut the layers in my hair. I need to trim the lengths of my hair. And I need to adjust my camera angle for this. There we go. Now I can stand up better. Now this next trick is something I learned from watching Mains by Mel. Guys, she's the at-home haircut queen. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna turn your head to the side. And I'm using a comb for this. Really smoothing everything down. Making sure I'm standing up straight, and I'm turning my head completely straight to the side, and just trimming the very ends. Going to trim the other side, standing up really straight. So look straight, turn my head, pull the hair down. Just doing the very ends. Point cutting. There we go. And then you check the length. That feels really even. That is it for this at-home haircut. I'm gonna finish up doing my hair and I'll be back to show you the results. And here is the final cut. I am absolutely thrilled with how it turned out. I have a lot of layers up top, which is something that Christian always puts in my hair. It really helps the shape of my hair. Why are those pieces sticking out? That's not the shape I want. But as you can see, it is a very nice rounded sort of U. There's a bunch of layers up through here, all throughout. Everything is very cohesive. And I was very careful to use the exact same styling products today that I used in this clip. Here is a clip of my hair about 2 days ago using these styling products, maybe 3. It was very recently that I used these same styling products, and you can absolutely see the difference in my hair now. I have retained the length. There's a whole whole lot more shape to my hair and a whole lot more movement. All right, guys, I sure hope you found this video helpful. If you did, I'd really appreciate it if you give it a thumbs up and share it. It really does help me out. And if you want to hang out with me some more, go ahead and subscribe and click that notification bell. I would love it if you stuck around for some more videos. But that is it for this video. I hope you are having an absolutely fantastic day, and I will talk to y'all later. Bye!